Hello and welcome everybody. Sega stock on 26 November. Let's see that step by step with easy price prediction. So as we can see here, it's going to be referring to what we want on Sega stock. So it's going to be very important about what we want to start and finish. And since Sega stock has a great spike on May and increased the amount of then decreased huge decrease in amount of Moses spike, it didn't return to its original value. So the previous value as the original value, which is going to be the current value, has a difference between this part and this part about 2 USD, and that's going to be a huge difference. So this going to be good luck for also if it's going to be about selling part for a lot of people who started to buy this and has a chance to sell the remaining parts, which is going to be about 2 USD or 3 USD or about at least 1 USD. However, Sega stock may be not return again to increase. Okay, is that what I think about the Sega price prediction and technical analysis news today on 26 November, and good luck.